Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, 8th October 2005. SLOs of this lesson are illustrate use of transitive and intransitive verbs. Our previous lessons we have discussed the modal verbs, the linking verbs, the auxiliary and the helping verbs. Now we are going to discuss the transitive and intransitive verbs. I know you have a very good idea of it because we have discussed this in your previous class too. Now, transitive verbs are verbs that require one more object. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स वो होते हैं जिसमें सेंटेंस में एक वर्ब को ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब को अपना सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करने के लिए एक और ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है. हियर आर द एग्जांपल्स. शी कट द केक. हियर द कट इज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट सिंपली से शी कट. शी कट व्हाट? यू माइट बी वंडरिंग. आप सोच रहे होगे कि उसने क्या काटा. यस, द केक इज अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट हियर that is required to complete the sentence. She cut the cake here. They climbed the mountain. Here the climbed is transitive verb and the mountain is another object. It was necessary here to add the mountains because you might be wondering, they climbed what? A tree? A wall? Here it is clear to you that they climbed mountain here. He gave her flower. Here the gave is a transitive verb and a flower is a what? Yes, an object here. So you can see here the availability of one more object is very important. दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट का होना यहाँ पर बहुत लाजमी है. इन सेंटेंसेस में अगर हम सिचुएशन देखें तो आपको अंदाजा होगा कि यहाँ पर ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के साथ ऑब्जेक्ट जरूर होना चाहिए पूरी बात को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, समझने के लिए, मैसेज पूरा कन्वे करने के लिए. द वर्ब्स आर कट, क्लाइम्ड एंड गेव हैव ऑब्जेक्ट्स. द कट हैव द ऑब्जेक्ट केक, द क्लाइम्ड हैव द ऑब्जेक्ट माउंटेन एंड द गेव हैव द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्लावर. हियर कट, क्लाइम, गेव आर द ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर द केक, द माउंटेन एंड हर अ फ्लावर. So what are the intransitive verbs? By contrast, intransitive verbs do not require an object. Transitive verb में object की जरूरत नहीं होती है. They complete their meaning or convey their message to another person without adding any object to it. Like they run, he died, she slept, it snows. Here, the run, died, slept, snows are the intransitive verbs. They don't need any other object to complete the sentence or their message. The verbs are ran, died, slept, snows have no objects. There are intransitive. Always remember that the transitive verb are those which require one more object. And the intransitive verb, they require no object. They can complete the sentence by its own. These are the examples of those verbs which can be both transitive and intransitive. Speak, read, cancel, agree, count. Yes, there are some verbs which can be both. There are so many. I am giving you just some examples here for your understanding that there are some verbs which might be transitive and intransitive, both. Like, I would like to speak with you. Here the speak is a transitive verb and you is an object. Here the intransitive is let's speak. No more object here. No need to add more object here. Read, we are reading your new book. New book is a object and reading is a transitive verb. We are reading, just simply reading. No more object. Cancel, add cancel the reservation. Here the cancel it is a transitive verb and the reservation is a object here on which the action is done. Add cancelled. Here simply intransitive. Agree, I agree with you. I agree. Count, we count on her assistance. The count is the intransitive verb and the transitive verb, and the assistance is the object here. That counts. Count is a intransitive verb. No more addition of an object here. Now look here, the exercise of it on page number 51. In each of the following sentence, choose whether the bold verb is transitive or intransitive. The bold verb here written like this. You have to what? Yes, you have to identify whether it's transitive and intransitive. Intransitive और transitive के फर्क को हमने समझ लिया. अब आपने क्या करना है, खुद इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. I worked all night. Can you see the object here? No, there is no object here. So we just simply say this is intransitive here. Very good. The second one, he gave the book to the teacher. Yes, we have an object here. Gave is a verb here, the transitive verb here, and the book is an object here. So it becomes the transitive verb here. Good. The third one, they laughed at the joke. Here the laughed is a intransitive because we have no object in this sentence. We cannot see any object here in this. So this is again the intransitive verb. She slept for 8 hours. Again we have no object here. The slept is a transitive verb here. The fifth one, we lived in Mexico for 2 years. Here the lived is transitive verb and we have no object here. So this is again the transitive. I need you to choose the right option for these remaining 5 sentences here by yourself. This is your home task also. I hope you will do this and enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.